Hi, I quickly want to touch on GPT 5.4 computer use agent functionality. So something Elon Musk said recently is that before AI can really be unleashed in the physical environment, being embodied, it really needs to master the digital environment and mastering computer use. And that's really much easier to master than a physical environment. So we saw with Anthropic Sonnet 4.6, they really focused on computer use. And with OpenClaw and ClawBot, as was previously known, there's a lot of focus also on computer use. And something I find interesting with GPT 5.4, one of the focus areas was computer use. And they claim, according to benchmarks, that they exceed human ability in terms of computer use. Now, that's according to the benchmark, but just something to add there. There's been a number of studies which found that computer use agents, AI agents, are much more gullible than humans. So computer use agents are more fallible when it comes to nefarious attacks, false pop-ups, ads, online ads that looks like legitimate pop-ups in terms of disk space and all those kind of things. So, the agent might be quite good at navigating a GUI, but when it comes to the web, it's quite still fallible in terms of, links and pop-ups that's not related to the task. So what OpenAI did is they made this sample app available, and it really gives you an idea of how the computer use agent, the KUA agent, can be implemented. And this is really a different approach than Anthropic is following, where Anthropic's got a virtual machine and it's like a Docker container it runs in. So it's really nice. You can go to GitHub, get this up and running. They've got a few examples to book a hotel, the Sketch Studio, or a planner. So we're going to launch the planner and we're going to say reorganize the board to make everything to make everything as done, or mark everything as done. And you can see here that it's got the timeline, and if I run this process so it links to a GPT 5.4 instance, you will see it gives the agent activity here on the left. You can see the different frames it goes through, and you can see how it actually marks the tasks as done. So this GitHub project from OpenAI is really a quick start harness, you can say, to get a sense of what computer use can entail and how to put it into practice.